So let's try another type of equation you could run into an assessment or worksheet problem where they start with the equation of a line and they say it contains a point. They give you two coordinates. And they say that line is parallel to a different line. How would you solve it? The key is with two equations you'll have to know from a formula chart or memorize. Your answer may have to be in y equals mx plus b form, and you should remember that slope-intercept form. If it doesn't, all you need to know is point-slope form to get this started. Okay. The one point they give you, you're going to use those coordinates, just label them. You have an x and a y, so that is your x1, y1. You will insert into the equation. Since they said your slope is parallel to this line, well, this line, your given line, has a slope of -4/3. The slope you need is going to be parallel, so I'm using my little parallel symbol down here. It looks like an 11, but two lines close together. Since you're going to be parallel, it has to be the exact same. So now that you know the coordinates of a point and the slope of your line, you're going to rewrite your equation. The y minus equals x minus, and closed parenthesis, are always part of the equation. In front of the parenthesis is your slope, so you're going to insert your -4/3 you just discovered, and then you should label your coordinates x1, y1, and go insert them. y1 goes after y, so I'm going to put my 9, and after my x I'm going to put a -5, but of course we'd never have x minus -5. Two negatives make a positive. That answer is correct to solve this question in point-slope form, but if they ask you to put it in slope-intercept form, then you're going to use your algebra skills to solve for y. You simply would say y minus 9 equals, you're going to distribute the -4/3 through the parenthesis and get -4/3 x minus 20/3. Just keep it an improper fraction for now, that's fine. Then you have to add 9 to the left side of the equation to get to cancel, and you have to add 9 to this side. Okay, so we now have y equals -4/3 x, and if we've got to add a -20/3, then we're going to have to make our 9 also be in thirds. So just multiply 9 times 3/3. Here's 9/1. If I multiply it times 3/3, I'm multiplying it times 1, just a different name for 1, and I get 27/3. So this is plus 27/3. My final answer is y equals -4/3 x plus 7/3. That, of course, is my y-intercept, or my b-value. There's the slope. But the answer would be y equals -4/3 x plus 7/3 is the equation of a line which contains the point -5, 9 and is parallel to the line y equals -4x plus 3.